Hello, welcome to this video. Alright, in this video I'll be guiding you on how you can import your 12 phrase back to your new SafePal uh, application. So in case if you change phone or you want to import your wallet to other phones, now this video will guide you on the step-by-step guide you need to do that. And also it is very important that you keep your 12 phrase very safe. In case if anything happens to your phone, you can be able to retrieve your wallet back, because no one can help you to get it. This is not decentralized systems are not a platform where you request for reset password, or you forget your password, or whatever you want to retrieve the account. Is not done in decentralized app, you understand. So if you lost your phone, or you mistakenly delete your SafePal or any of your decentralized app you are using, and you don't have your 12 phrase written and secured, that means you have lost that particular business, you understand. Anything you are doing with that wallet is gone and gone forever. Nobody can help you retrieve it, you understand. So pay close attention to me as I walk you through. So the first thing is you need to come to SafePal on the new phone you are using. Sorry, you need to come to this is a Play Store, you understand. You need to come to Play Store to type for SafePal, you understand. So I would like you to look for the subscribe button on your screen, on the down on this video on the screen. Just look for the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel if you are coming across my video for the first time, and also turn on your bell notification in order not to miss updates on this channel. And don't forget to like this video. Click on the like button. Thank you. So let's continue. So this is the SafePal here. So this is the SafePal application. So already I have it downloaded. So for you, you are going to see install at this point. So since I have installed it, so what I will need to do is to click on open, you understand. But for you, after installing, you'll be able to open it. So once you've opened it, so what you need to do next is to click on this so this is what you are going to see. You understand. So you're going to see this, so you need to click on this, you understand, which is add existing wallet. So you click on add existing wallet, and you'll be able to put your password here, you understand. You'll be able to put, just create a new password here, you understand. Now you type that your 12 phrase here one by one. All of them should be small letter. All of them should be small letter. Let's say for example the first one is next. Okay, let me click on next. Okay, so let's say for example the first one is fish. So you see fish is small letter, right? And the second one will be rice, you understand. So this is, everything should be small letter. Church, you understand. Okay, something like church. I think they have shroom, right? It's giving me, okay, let me leave. So this is all you need to do. I'm just trying to get phrase on my head to put there. So this is all that you need to do. So type it correctly. After typing it, then you click on next and you click on import. So that is all that you need to do. So if you're having any challenge in doing this, you can drop your comment on the comment section. Let me know the challenges that you are facing on this. And also, if you, in fact, just drop your drop your comment on the comment section. If you're having any challenge, I will attend to you quick. So that is that. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and also turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on updates like this. Bye.